Okay, these are gonna be the main elevators. Ooh, nice. These are the main elevators. Here at Hyatt Regency Columbus. Looks like they are modernized. Innovation Universal. Nice. Oh, these are off-sync. Look. They got me. Here's 8.
8th floor. Going up.
Yeah, the ice dispensers are right there. These are all working now. They just all got modernized a couple of years ago. So now I finally get to ride this one. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. These indicators are off sync.
15th floor.
You have a good day.
Going up.
These are really nice. Let's get a cab view. Nice elevators. We will transfer down on P to ride another one. We didn't ride this one at all last time. That doesn't sound good. Alright, let's go to the P1, as they call it. Although it says P on the other braille. Innovation Universal. I would say these are a renovation, but it's not exactly, because they completely redid these. So I'd say this is a modernization. Although they run like they used to. The chimes are from the other one. Here's this indicator. Sorry about the shakes. Filming on the GoPro doesn't have image stabilization. Send this up to 20, and we'll transfer.
Pool and health facility. Going up.
Down out here it looks the same. There's the pool. Wait for this to close. There it goes. And let's call another one. Remember how small these were? These are really tiny innovation call button panels. Sorry, I'll try to stop that, guys. Alright, we're gonna get one of these two or that one. Assuming one of these two. Yep, we got that one. Hello. 20. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. You have a great day. These definitely aren't as busy as last time because all 4 are working now. There's barely anybody staying in this hotel this time. And this time we're in Columbus, we're just staying at the Red Roof and we're only staying here for a night. We're on my birthday trip to Cincinnati, so we just couldn't make it to, right, we're gonna end it too. We couldn't make it to Cincinnati in one night, so we're just staying in Columbus for the night. It's a nice cab. Innovation Universal. We're stopping on 17. Going down? What floor?
Lobby. The lobby, yeah, thank you.
Innovation Universal. Please choose again. Sorry about the shakes with using the GoPro. Watch my GoPro. These are KONE. That's it.